Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the always on display and lock screen. Let's enter. Now in the lock screen settings section on the very first position we've got the sleep option, so let's tap, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and this is quite a short option I would say, but also we've got 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. Currently I've got 10 minutes option applied. This option is marked as you can see, so all you have to do in order to change the time and the timeout is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick for example 2 minutes, and as you can see it is notified right here, which means that from now on after 2 minutes of inactivity this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.